Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. I hope that you people are doing well. Today we are going to discuss another very interesting topic which will ensure customer success. If you want your customers to come back to you, if you want your customers to be satisfied, this topic is very important. So what is the topic? The topic is customers feedback management, where you take feedback from the customers and manage it in such a way that it eventually translates into gaining more customers and improving their satisfaction. What is customer feedback? In simple words, customer feedback is the information provided by the customers about your product or services. So whenever the customers give you some feedback, give you some response when they buy or when they use your product or services, it is called customer feedback. Now, feedback can be in the form of opinions, it can be in the form of suggestions, it can be in the form of complaints as well. It can be in the form of their satisfaction level. So when you get feedback from the customers, they may inform you about their opinions, or they may suggest you something for improvement perhaps, or they may dislike some of your products or services or the processes, and they may tell you about their satisfaction level. All these comes in the category of feedback from the customers, and that have to be managed properly in order to ensure a response to this feedback, because a proper response to the feedback ensures customer satisfaction. Now, there are methods through which you can collect the feedback from the customers. A lot of the times, customers by themselves give you the feedback, but it is also suggested that you, being in your business, in your company, you initiate the process of collecting feedback from the customers. I told you that collecting feedback from the customers and then responding positively towards that feedback ensures customer satisfaction, improves retention, and eventually improves your overall customer loyalty. So you have to find out mechanisms to get feedback from the customers. What are some of the common methods which we will discuss in the other lectures in more detail, but now for now let's discuss what are the common methods through which we can collect feedback from the customers. The first one, it can be in any order, is the surveys. Through surveys you can collect the feedback. You have to observe or monitor online reviews. We will have a discussion on that. You also have to keep an eye on the social media interactions, and you can have a direct communication with the customers in order to get feedback from them. So in this short lecture, what was the topic? We discussed customer feedback. The bigger topic is customer feedback management, but here we discussed what is customer feedback. Customer feedback is the response of the customers, the feedback of the customers when they use or buy your product. It can be in the form of suggestions, opinions, it can be in the form of their concerns about your product or service, in the form of complaints, and it can also be in the form of overall satisfaction. Stay tuned for more topics related to customer feedback management. Interesting topics are coming ahead, so stay tuned, and don't forget to give me comments on, do you people collect customer feedback, and what type of feedback do you collect, and what do you do in response to the feedback that you receive from the customers? Stay tuned for more videos. Take care of yourself. Bye.